You can see here what we are going to build on this quick video. It's an image in the navigation bar. A starting project, I have here an empty view controller, an image to display. It's called I, and you can see the view controller is empty as well. So let's start. So first of all, we need to embed this in a navigation controller. I'm going to change the color, but you don't need to, just to look better. Okay, to this one. Let's go back to the view controller and add here the logic. I'm going to create a separate method. Let's call it set navigation bar, like this. And copy and create the method. Okay. So first you need to create an UI image and pass the name of the asset. In this case is I. You can see here. Now you need to create a UI image view and pass the image. Now I'm going to change the content mode. Content mode as scale aspect fit, and as last step you need to go to a navigation item and set this UI image as title view. Let's run. Thanks guys for watching, and if you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.